Welcome back to the Ag Analytics Collaboratory. I've shown this code off before. I'm doing a call to the NASA Power API to get daily weather data from one specific coordinate point. This is the resultant of running that code, a data set that does not follow the convention of tidy or clean data. There's some pre-processing that's going to have to go on before we can think about data engineering in order to use this time series data in tabular machine learning models. Here's the same API call, just using Python. And down here, we can print our data frame and we get very similar results. But I'd like to dive into that API URL. Might seem a little intimidating, but let's break it down into chunks. First, we have our base URL. This is just pointing to the website that's provided by NASA, so we know where do we want to gather information from. Then we're going to have a resource path, followed by sub-resources. So this is just letting it know that I want to get temporal data on a daily basis from a specific point. You can read about this in the NASA Power documentation to understand what your sub-resources should be. Finally, we have our query parameters. So a lot of text just popped up on your screen, and this might be a lot to think about and take in, but just know that we are telling the API what parameters, weather parameters we want to download from the website, including parameter, all sky solar radiation, precipitation, wind speed, and these are represented in different abbreviations, but these are standardized as per the NASA Power documentation. We are putting in the ag community, indicating that we want the results for the agroclimatic models, including our longitude and latitude, start and end date. So at the end of the day, it might seem a little intimidating, a big block of text, but there's nothing that documentation can't help you sort through. Or if you're still confused, I'd recommend doing a quick search or even asking your favorite large language model to help you understand and create your code.